Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Razr 2025 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now choose Allow All in this pop-up, and when you're ready, whatever you want to in all the other ones. Finally, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Motorola, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few, just for example, so I have to tap on all of those I wish to send. In some of those categories though, like for example contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished picking all of those you need, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then choose Receive button. Over here. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!